Bonjour, everyone. Is your client's color in need of a makeover? Do you want to lighten, change a reflect, or simply remove buildup on an existing color? If so, then it's time for Color Out. It's a must-know service for all colorists. Hair color can't lift another artificial color. So when your colored hair client wants to change looks, you first need to remove the existing artificial color. Let's see how it's done.
There are two ways to color out. One is with a gentle cleanse, the other is a deep cleanse. Both steps use L'Oréal's Efassor color remover to remove a shade and reveal an undercoat. Let's first look at a gentle cleanse. If your client has an existing cool shade and wants to change to a warmer one, you'll need to remove the existing artificial colorant. It's the only way to get a true-to-tone color result. Here's an example. Let's say your client is a 7.8. They want to become a 7.4. Well, a 7.8 has a cool reflect. So if you apply a 7.4 on a 7.8, your 7.4 will not be true to tone. Instead, it will be a less warm and bright, slightly muted color. That's why you'll need to soft cleanse the 7.8 with Efassor and hot water. The deposited color will be removed, and you'll be left with the lifted yellow-orange undercoat. It's the perfect canvas to reveal a beautiful and true-to-tone 7.4.
Let me introduce our model, Fanny. As you can see, her hair color is a 6.8, which is a cool shade. She wants to be slightly lighter and warmer. The existing reflect doesn't fit with the desired shade, so we'll have to remove it before application. We'll proceed with a gentle cleanse and then decide the shade. On the color station, we have gloves, combs, clips, clean brushes, paddles, and a towel to maintain a clean work area. Let's prepare the Efassor mix. Let's use 60 ml of very hot water. Then add 1 packet of Efassor, blend with a whisk. It's best to have the client at the backwash area. It's easier to work the application and the client will be less disturbed by the smell of the product. Start at the nape and work towards the front. Move section by section and apply the product quickly with a sponge. Once it's applied everywhere, the work really begins. 2 important things for the best performing technique. First, massage each section until the product becomes a foam. This is key. Second, it's the hot water which activates the process. Always add hot water with the sponge onto the hair to activate the process. Keep it hot. Rinse once you've reached your desired undercoat or if 20 minutes is up. To check the result, we need to towel dry the hair. If you achieve the right undercoat, we can now proceed to our regular color application of a Noah or Majorelle and deal light on lengths and ends. If you didn't reach the right undercoat or if you need to lift, we can now proceed to a deep cleansing with Efassor and oxidant. It looks like the hair is still a little too dark on the lengths of the top sections, so let's do a deep cleansing on these areas only, and because it's quick, we stay at the backwash. Make sure all areas you deep cleanse are towel dried. Next, let's prepare a packet of Efassor with 75 ml of 20 volume oxidant. Apply the product with the brush and planchette. Make sure the product penetrates into the hair to efficiently remove the pigments. Once everything is saturated, position the length so it doesn't stain the rest of the hair. Let it develop for 50 minutes maximum. Make sure to check the hair regularly. Once you get the desired undercoat, proceed to rinsing at the sink. As you can see, we have a very even undercoat that's lighter, which is exactly what we wanted. I'm going to work with this canvas using 7.4 with 20 volume. Now we can proceed to our regular color application of Enoa or Majorelle and de-light on the lengths and ends. Dry the hair and style as desired. Show the client the end result and point out how well the original color was removed. Explain to them how best to take care of their hair at home to maintain their beautiful new color. To get the right color, sometimes you need a fresh start. The Color Out application is a great way to make sure your client gets the vibrant, true-to-tone look they desire.